Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to create a liquid abstract background like this. Before we dive in, please hit the follow button. Thank you. Let's get started. Double-click on the fill and choose your preferred color. For stroke, we don't need it. Use the rectangle tool to draw a shape that fits the artboard. Click on the mesh tool and then click on the corners of the rectangle. Select a color, and you'll see it applied from that point. Click another corner and change the color. You'll get a smooth, blended background. Open the Layers panel, lock the current layer, and create a new one. Using the rectangle tool, draw another shape, just approximate the size. Go to Object, create Gradient Mesh. Set rows, 7 and columns, 3, then click OK. Use the Direct Selection tool, white arrow, to select points and apply colors. I adjust horizontally to apply colors along the same axis. Move the mesh lines closer together to create sharper edges in color transitions. Select different lines and apply colors as needed. Add new intersections. Select the Mesh tool and click on the shape. This allows you to introduce new color strips. Use the eyedropper tool to pick colors from other areas. If the color doesn't apply, hold Shift while clicking. Once satisfied, go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Mesh. Set rows, 2 and columns, 2, then click OK. If you watched my previous tutorial, you might be familiar with this step. This adds another mesh layer on top to reshape the object. Don't confuse this with the first mesh tool, which was for coloring. Use the Direct Selection tool to drag and distort points as needed. To refine the shape, add more points using the Mesh tool. If you want to edit the original color mesh, select the object and look at the top bar. Click the second button, Edit Content. To return to the first mesh tool settings, you'll see the original mesh, even though the shape is now distorted. This is normal. It's just how this technique works. You can adjust colors again using the Direct Selection tool. To match the mesh to the final shape, go to Object, Expand, and click OK. Finally, draw a rectangle to match the artboard size. Select everything, right-click, and choose Make Clipping Mask to hide any excess parts. Congratulations! You did it! See you in the next tutorial.